nasa site na tayo. Yeah. Okay.
Moro.
Modo na hena?
Wow.
Wow.
Yes.
Acha? How old are you now?
No. Happy birthday. Hello guys! So for today's video guys, punta muna akong site. Punta muna ako sa workplace ko. And then afternoon we'll make the video. So salamat pala guys. Grabe kayo. 10K na yung family natin. Our community is growing. And we cannot make it without you guys. Maraming salamat. So for today's video guys, we'll just make pancake. And then we'll celebrate the 10K subscribers. And at the same time, yung birthday ng kapatid ni Binta. Isasabay na rin natin. So, let's go! So, guys, nasa site na tayo. So, mag-umpisa na tayong magtrabaho. So guys, papunta kami ng warehouse. Bali pala this morning, mga ilang oras lang ako magstay. Check ko lang din yung patrabaho and then babalik na ako ng bahay. So ayun lang yung trabaho ko this morning. So guys, malinis na yung in-between panels. They did grass cutting. Yeah. This is very strong. So guys, hindi talaga siya warehouse. Hindi siya literal na warehouse. Lay down area. Dito namin pinapark yung mga gamit namin. So pabalik na kami guys. Guys, check ko lang yung mga tropa ko. Nasaan ba sila? Kapag kalinggo guys, kalati lang yung pumapasok. Kalati pahinga pero bayad sila. So guys, nandun yung mga tropa ko. So naglilinis sila ng panel manually. Hindi pa rin kasi ayos yung tractor eh. Naglilinis din pala sila ng MV kasi ang requirement twice a year maglinis, and it's getting dusty now, so nililinis na nila. So they are cleaning guys. Happy 10K subscribers guys. Kita nyo naman, kalilinis lang, maalikabok na naman. Ayan yung patunay na maalikabok sa Africa. Salamat guys. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, walang 10K subscribers. Maya-maya, uwi na rin tayo. Kakain ng lunch, tapos mag-vlog na. So guys, pabalik na ako ng bahay. So guys, kanina pa pala ako nakarating sa bahay. Nakakain na rin ako ng lunch. So mag-ready lang ako and then punta na ako kina Binta.
Few minutes later.
Hello guys! So ready na tayo. So punta pala ako ng market. I-meet ko dun si Binta kasi may plan kami na bumili ng cake. So itutuloy natin yung video dun, guys. So, let's go! Guys, I'm with Binta now. So, we will buy cake.
Hello guys, kumusta?
So, guys, we'll buy cake, ah. So, I want the purple one, guys.
Yes.
So, guys, may prutas pala. May paprutas.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I like the color. 2,000. Only 2,000.
Then, okay. Yeah, okay. Guys, nakabili na kami ng cake. So, bili lang kami ng kandila, guys. Walang libreng kandila eh. Guys, yung pinakamura nilang cake, 500. Tapos, isang slice, 150. Mahal yung cake nila dito, guys. Bilang kaming kandila, then punta na kami sa kanila.
Yes, so
Yes.
we buy the cake already.
Yeah.
We tak si Agwin ako.
So guys, naglalakad na kami papunta sa bahay nila. I'm saying we are walking to your house now.
Very same, very same.
So guys, the kids are asking me since
Since in the morning, they are
in the morning
asking,
if I will come here or not.
they are asking, Binta, where's Auntie Mera? Where's Auntie Mera? Today we don't see Auntie Mera. I tell her Auntie Mera is coming.
Yeah.
She's coming. She says she's coming.
Just Auntie Myram is a bit late.
Mm.
And also we buy cake. Oh.
Yes. So today we want to make only this one. We want to surprise only.
Yeah. We want to surprise Ollie. At the same time, we will celebrate 10,000 subscribers.
Yes.
We already hit it.
And now we are going there.
Yeah. Thank you guys for that.
Thank you. We are happy
Yeah.
for you people. Okay.
Okay. Jaja still have this. Hello guys! So guys, nandito na tayo ulit. So prepare lang yung mga dapat gamitin and then we will cook pancake. So guys, pala, before nung bata ako, nagagawa na ako ng pancake. But this time, meron akong sinundan sa YouTube. Tingnan natin kung okay yung recipe niya. So, I will show you later. And then, just double celebration, our 10K subscribers and Ollie's birthday. So, we bought that cake. But, she doesn't know, na hindi niya alam na bumili kami ng cake. Tapos, magpapalaro lang ako sa mga bata ng putukan ng lobo para, yun, marinig niyo yung sounds. This time, I will make sure na may sounds na. So, ayun lang guys. So, atcha, let's go! So guys, bali pala itong pancake na to. May milk siya. Then just the same, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Guys, 4 na egg. And then milk. Tapos guys, sugar. Then, lagay tayo ng salt. And then, mix lang natin, guys. Put flour. Just mix. So, guys, this one is ready now. I will just put small oil. So, we are ready now. We'll start to cook now.
Kamusta? Welcome back our YouTube channel.
Yes.
We are happy today.
Yes, guys.
We have 10K subscribers. We are very happy for you people.
Yeah, guys.
Yes,
We cannot make it without you.
we cannot go without you people.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. We are happy.
Yes. So we will use this, guys. So. Okay.
Modo.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
Wow, pizza.
Huh?
They used to use this.
Hi! It's good today, guys, ah. Medyo malakas yung hangin. Yeah, it's windy today. So, guys, Binta is preparing. So, first they will eat, then they will play game, and then we will surprise Oli. Mau dulu nih, Hena? Wow. We still have, guys. They want more. They can take. Ay, Nehena? Wow. Guys, masarap pa. Yung mga bata, tapos na. Oh. Finish? Guys, ubus na. Guys, malapit na kami maglaro ah. So, nire-ready lang yung balloon, tas maglalaro na kami. So, the price is $50, see? Donut and candy. Oh, let's go, let's go. Yeah. So, how many are the kids? The kids are 9? Binta? Let them get partner na and then they will explain them they have to run here. Who will get the balloon first, then they will burst. Yeah. Wait na, wait. Okay. Modo win. Okay. 1, 2. Yeah, they will do final. Okay. Acha, acha, acha. Ay. Ay. Wow! Tell Binto na, she needs to run fast. Yeah, run fast na. Wait na. Acha, acha. Acha. She win. Ayra.
No, Jaja didn't play.
Kai?
Yan niya, Saja. More $10. Okay. Acha. It's finished. Acha, come. Come here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Acha.
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Modu.
Happy birthday.
Hey, fursat bi. Fursat bi ngon fi de.
Oli,
Hey.
make a wish.
Acha. Acha woyal lang ko happy birthday. Aja dami ni pa.
Oh, you don't know. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Ah? Ah? Hala, jalan sandali.
Yo mama bena Jamila. Jamila.
Baby blue.
Let me do Max. I'm doing birthday. Gana, ha? Hatu hona da yaji munna. Magini am.
Yay!
Amle. Aida am. Aida.
Jamila Kai! Jamila! Guys, that's all for today. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. We are happy.
Yeah, we are happy.
Today we are happy. We have 10K. Today also is Oli's birthday.
Yeah.
Now we make all. But we are happy for Auntie Madam also. Auntie Madam, every day you make me to happy. May God make you to happy. Auntie Madam, I cannot pay you. Only God can pay you. Billahi, I'm happy.
Very, very happy.
Very more than happy. You see, you make my sister to happy. Now you see, if you make my sister happy, even me also I'm happy. Billahi, I cannot pay you.
Thank you guys for supporting us.
Yes, thank you guys for
Yeah,
supporting us.
please continue to support us.
share and like and subscribe and
Comment.
comment.
So, salamat guys. So, this is our last video of year 2024.
Yes!
Yeah.
That's so. I forget that.
Guys, advance Happy New Year. So, yung mga dapat nyong iwanan nyo na. Yung dapat nyong dalin sa New Year, dalin nyo. So, malapit nang matapos yung taon, pero yung faithfulness ng Panginoon, hindi na natapos. So, guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Please support us as well in the year 2025, this coming 2025.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye!
Bye.